How are you, my learner? Welcome to our physics lesson. My name is Purity Anzelimo, and in our lesson today we'll start a new topic in Form 2, that is turning effect of a force. So that's our topic, turning effect of a force. It's a topic in Form 2. It's tested in paper 1, physics paper 1. That's where you have the turning effect of a force. It's a very interesting topic, as you'll come to realize as we continue, and it's also very examinable. So we'll start with the outline for this topic, what we are going to cover under this topic. It's a very short topic, just like many of the topics in Form 2. So in this topic 1, we are going to look at, so this is the content, and the content for this topic, we have the following. 1, we are going to look at what we refer to as moment of a force. Moment of a force, we'll discuss this, what we mean by moment of a force, and we are also going to do calculations involving the same. Then we are also going to look at the principle of moments. So we are going to do an illustration which will help us state the principle of moments, and then also use that principle in calculations. Then we are also going to look at moment due to the weight of an object. Moment. So we look at moment due to the weight of an object, and in this actually we are going to involve in ourselves in calculations. So and finally we are going to look at a sample of questions from this topic. So we are going to do some calculations. So as you can see, it's a very short topic, and by the end of the topic you should be in a position to define moment of a force and also calculate moment of a force. You should also be in a position to state the principle of moments. You should also be able to engage in calculations resulting or involving moment due to the weight of an object. And of course, by the end of this topic, you should be in a position to solve all numerical problems involving the turning effect of a force. So this is what we are going to discuss under this topic. When you follow, you realize how cheap and simple this topic can be. So before we start with the moment of a force, I want to start by an introduction.